Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Mode. Really interesting algebra problem today. We need to simplify this expression right here on the bottom. We have a lot of options. We have option A, B, C and D. So right now, of course, you can solve it by yourself, pause the video, and after this video we will check our answer. So how can I solve this interesting problem? So first we need to know about the multiplying by conjugate method. So take a look. We have right here 2 square root of 3 in the numerator, and of course in our denominator we'll have square root of 3 plus 2. So in our denominator we don't have to do nothing, because we have a value, we have expression with square root, so there is no way to simplify our numerator. But in our denominator we have some square root of 3 plus 2, and I want to mention one really interesting moment. We need to know a formula a plus b times a minus b, because this is our identity formula, this is a classic formula. It will be equal to a square minus b square. So if we create this formula in our denominator, we will have the difference of two squares, which is really good because we have square. We simplify this step by step. How can we multiply? How can we find this conjugate? Right here we have a plus b, and right here we have plus as well. So this is our first parenthesis. So if we multiply by the difference, we will have this conjugate. Take a look right here. We'll have 2 square root of 3. In our denominator we have square root of 3 plus 2. So I just rewrite this the same. But if you multiply by the difference, but what difference? Square root of 3, not plus but minus 2. And we need, of course, to multiply the denominator by this one, because we need nothing change, because then we can cancel and it will be the same. So we need to multiply our denominator, square root of 3 minus 2. So we just multiplying by the conjugate both parts, numerator and denominator. So right here we can cancel it and we will have the same, nothing change. But right now we can apply this formula, identity formula, in our denominator. So this will be the difference of squares. So let's do this. What we'll have? We will have 2 square root of 3 times square root of 3 minus 2. This is our denominator. We will simplify this a little bit later. And in our denominator we will have difference of squares, square root of 3 square and minus 2 square, difference of squares. Okay, what we're going to do next? I write it right here at the bottom. Let's multiply this in our parentheses. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 will be equal to 3. 2 times 3 will be 6. 6 minus, and 2 times 2, 4, so minus 4 square root of 3. And in our denominator, this if we raise, we can cancel this square root sign and second power. We will have 3 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. So this is our trick right here. We just simplify this, and right now we need to find the answer right here. But how can we do this? This minus can be written right here in our denominator, so we can write it right here behind this 6 minus 4 square root of 3, and this minus signals us that we change all signs in our parentheses. So this goes to plus, this goes to minus. So, and if we change our order, we will have 4 square root of 3 minus 6. So, and this is our answer. So I hope you understand this problem. I hope you understand my explanation. If you enjoyed this video, put your thumbs up. Of course, write your question in a comment if you still have any question, because it's not like an easy method to solve it. Maybe you don't know about the conjugate, so it will be really nice to read about your comment, your suggestion about this method. And thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Have a great day.